Good afternoon, children. How many of you joined? All the 90 are there? 26, 27. Last day also this was the condition. Those who are not joining, please send the message to me by explaining the reason. Okay. You have to. Parents, please take care. They are not attending the live sessions. Every day the number is decreasing. So, tell them to attend the live session itself. Otherwise, they are getting one website class is there that they have to attend in the website. Even if Max will be there in that, already website session is in the other way. Live session is in this way. Both they have to attend that time. Okay. In the prescribed time. Don't make it a pending work. And last test paper, I corrected the answer sheet of first term examination. I didn't get all the answer sheet out of 90. Like your attendance, I got only 40, 45 in that range. Almost all did in a good way. And 3 or 4 got full marks also, 20 out of 20. 4 or 5 students got. Others also not a, it's a good mark. Others also they accept 1 or 2. And the last test paper, I told you keep the marks because if all the 90 are sending to me, it will be a problem for me. So I told now you can type in the chat box by writing your name and your mark. Okay. And ma'am is helping me to write. Okay. So before you before we wind up this session, you have to type the mark. Not in the first 10 minutes itself, you have to write the marks. Otherwise, we have to wait for the whole 1 hour for this. No. So first 10 minutes, within the first 10 minutes, all should type the marks. Within the first 10 minutes, all should type the marks. Okay. That marking scheme I have sent, did you see? Simply 3 marks you won't get. If your steps are correct, you will get 1 each like that. But many ask me, our steps are different way and all. If that step is correct, okay, you can. But if you are writing some other steps and even if and then also you are not getting the answer, you won't get any mark. Okay. And neatness should be there. And I got one answer sheet. That student used the answer sheet, the notebook page, ruled notebook page, and the end of the page, Malayalam some sentences are writing, chemistry also some formulae are there, and in front Max, I am talking about the answer sheet of Max. Max answer sheet, first term Max answer sheet, ruled paper, notebook paper, and he or she has written many things on the back side, chemistry, Malayalam and all. I won't check that paper. Okay. Today we will start the chapter Area of a trapezium and a polygon. Area of a trapezium and a polygon. Chapter 20. Chapter 20. This will come under the unit mensuration. Area and perimeter. No, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Perimeter is not there. Area of a trapezium. All of you write the chapter's name. And chapter 20, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Chapter 20, area of a trapezium and a polygon. This will come under the unit mensuration. Unit name, measurement, the unit which contains the measurement of the figures and all. Okay. Unit mensuration, which contains the measurement of the figures, okay, area, perimeter, volume, like that. Those things will come under the unit mensuration. In that, the one chapter is area of a trapezium and a polygon. You know what is meant by area. Area means what? The space occupied by a figure. See, this is a figure, okay, and area means the inside part. This is the area, inside. The space occupied by a closed boundary is known as area. Perimeter, you know what is meant by perimeter, even if it is not mentioning here, not in the heading it's not mentioning, but while we are taking the class, its perimeter is there. What is meant by perimeter? Perimeter means the length of the circumference. Yes, how to measure the length of the circumference of this shape? You take, because this is such a shape, it's not rigid, sides are not rigid, you take a thread and pointing here just to measure along the sides, and that thread you stretch like this, and with the scale you can measure its perimeter. If it is rectangle or square, we can measure by measuring this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, or this side plus this side plus this side. That is the perimeter. Such a type of figures you will use the thread. That is a perimeter. Area means inside part. Both are different. Inside part. Space. When somebody is asking what is area, what you will tell? The space occupied by the closed boundary. Space occupied. This is the space. Okay. Occupied by the closed boundary. Here what is the area? This is the area. Here what is the area? This is the area. Space occupied by the closed boundary. That's why when they are asking how to measure, what is the cost of the tiles that you are going to put in your room and all, we have to find the area, because tile we are putting inside the room. If we want to do a fencing to your house, if we want to, or compound wall, if you want to construct a compound wall, what you have to calculate, area or perimeter? We have to calculate perimeter, because not inside part, we are, see, this is the compound wall. So this length, this length, this length and this length. That is what we need. So perimeter we have. So if the question is find the cost of fencing, you have to find the perimeter and multiply with the rate. If they are asking what is the cost for putting the tile, you have to find the area and multiply with the rate. Okay. That may or may not come anyway. This situation I told. Okay, so you know what is meant by perimeter and what is meant by area. Next, did you study about area of a triangle? Polygon, trapezium and polygon. Trapezium is a special figure that we will study after 2-3 classes. This is the shape of trapezium, like a boat shape, boat, or our roof, okay, sunshade and all, roof of the house, front side of the house. That is the shape of a trapezium. These two sides are parallel and these two sides are non-parallel, going in different direction. They are non-parallel, but these two are parallel. Such a shape is known as trapezium. That I won't tell now, that will come after 2-3 classes. First, we will study about area of another polygon. Trapezium is also a polygon. Polygon means a closed figure having n sides. This is a polygon, yes, because it is closed. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a polygon. Is it a polygon? Yes. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are polygons. Okay. But except trapezium, let me tell about other polygons, and at last only I will tell about trapezium. Okay. Trapezium, you got the meaning? Like a boat shape. Okay. So what is the other polygons? Other shapes. Triangle, is it a polygon? Triangle, yes. Square, yes. Rectangle, yes. Parallelogram, yes. These all are polygons. First we are talking about triangle. Which is the least polygon, you know? Least polygon means it should be a closed figure, but you have to use minimum sides. Which is the least polygon? With two sides, can you make a polygon? Can you make a closed figure with two sides? Yes, 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 yes. With one side you cannot make. With two sides also you cannot make. It won't be closed. But with three sides, yes, we can make a closed figure. So which is the least polygon? Triangle. Triangle is the least polygon. Okay, so you write small heading perimeter. Right now, perimeter. Below that you write perimeter of a plane figure. Right. Perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. First line of your textbook. The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. All of you write. The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. Second subheading, area. Right, area. Below that you write area is the amount of surface. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by its sides. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by its sides. Enclosed by its sides. Inside part. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by its sides. It is there in the textbook. Okay. After that you write the next heading. Area and perimeter of triangle. So a big chapter. We have to study about all the shapes and their perimeter and area and different types of questions also. First you write area and perimeter of triangles. Area and perimeter of triangles. Triangles. Which least polygon is triangle. So first we are trapezium after 2 classes. So first we are talking about many types of polygons. First polygon is triangle. Triangles. What is the area definition? Area definition. Not area definition. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Draw. You draw one triangle. All of you draw. Mark A, B, C. All of you draw one triangle. Rough figure only. Don't spend much time. Rough figure. A, B, C you mark. Then this is A. This is B. This is C. I am marking the sides as small letter A, B, C. Vertices as capital letter A, B, C. Sides as small letter A, B, C. Small letter A, small letter B, small letter C. Okay. How I used? Did you note down anybody? Capital letter A, its opposite small a. Capital letter B, its small letter opposite small b. Capital letter C, its opposite side small c. That is the usual convention. Okay. So what is the perimeter? All of you write. Perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. Enough. Perimeter equal to length of all the 3 sides. It's not compulsory all the sides should be equal. It's not compulsory. Sides can be at any unit. Sum. Perimeter equal to A plus B. Sum of these 3 sides. That is a perimeter. A plus B plus C. Doubt is there? Next, area. Did you study about this in 7th standard or 6th standard? Some topics you have studied. Okay, okay. So it will be easy for you. Listen. Area, what area of a triangle? 3 formulae are there. 3 formulae. First one, somebody told you have studied some topics. So maybe one formula you have studied. Listen here. That you have studied. Half into base into height. Okay. or half BH. Half BH. Right. Another formula that you didn't study, I think that now only you are studying. First formula you study. If base and height they have given, use the first formula. Otherwise you write root of S into, I will explain what is this S and all, you write it. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of under the big radical sign. Where S is equal to, you want to know what is this S. Where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Half of the perimeter is known as capital S. So first you find what is half of the perimeter, then apply here. What is this A, B and C? Sides length, length of the sides. Okay, that they will give. If they have given all the three sides, use the second formula. If they have given base and height, use the first formula. Is it clear? Both stands for finding the area of a triangle. Okay. So after drawing this picture, did you write perimeter? Only one formula. What is that? Sum of the three sides, A plus B plus C. And area formula, two formulae are there. Half into base into height or root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then, okay, that's enough. One more formula means that formula for equilateral triangle, that I will tell that time. So let us do the problems. Two formulae introduced, we are going to do the problems based on that. This half base into height, the figure is like this, no? No. A, B, C and height should be there. This is base and this is height, mark. If they have given this BC base and if they have given the height H, use this formula. So please draw that picture also. Draw that picture also. This picture for the second formula, this picture for the first formula. Okay, clear? Half into base into height, base and height, HI marked. That's for the first formula, that figure. And this figure, when they have given A, B, C, we will use for the second formula. Okay, so you write the first question. Example 1. No need to see the textbook. Only for the question you can use the textbook. Answer from the board only. Write the question. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are. Whose sides are, sides means ABC, I am writing in short. A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, C is equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. That we will do later, but you have to write the question. I will repeat. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Second line, also find the length of altitude, corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. Also find the length of altitude means H, that I will show in the figure. Find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side. Many students are not writing the note. Even if I am not there with you, I am getting the report. Some students are simply sitting in front of the system without the book for a maths class. You just think of. And you people are more interested in video games and all. I know the students who all are doing like that. Anyway, for the exam that result will come out. Okay. If you do sincerely, you will get the good marks. Otherwise, you can blame others, that's all. Even if when I am telling to write the question, only 25% students are writing. Those who are writing, they can score good marks. They are sincere to their studies and to their teachers, to their parents. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 9, 12 and 15. Also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. Okay, if you want, you can draw. Picture you draw. ABC, sides 9, 12, 15. Now, write area equal to, which formula we will use, first one or second one? ABC, no, first one we will use for the second section, so for the second sentence. First they are asking what is the area and they are giving ABC. So which formula? Root of S into, that will be better. H you don't know, so how can you use half BH formula? You cannot use. Second formula you use root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, we decided which formula you have to use. Now what is S here? A plus B plus C by 2. That is what we defined, half of the perimeter. So equal to half of, what is A plus B? 9 plus 12 plus 15 by 2. What is that? 18. What is S? Half of the perimeter? 18. Now you apply in this radical sign. Apply root of, hope that you have drawn the figure. S 18 into, see S 18 into 18 minus, what is A? 9. What is B? 12. What is C? 15. Is it correct? Yes, after finding S, I substituted in the formula. Now I think that I told to post the marks enough, because that will be a work for the ma'am. One ma'am is sitting here and helping me, but for the full period, full hour, don't use for that. First 10-20 minutes over, no? How much I got, that much enough. Others you have to send me in the other class. Okay, I got many of the marks we got, that we copied others in the next class. Okay, when we are telling something, you have to do that time itself. Don't make it as a long process. Thank you, ma'am. You can stop. Okay, then simplify this and get the answer. Get the answer. Where I have to, let me write here. Root of 18 into 18 minus 9, 9 into 18 minus 12, 6 into 18 minus 15, 3. Correct? Very easy. Root of, what is that? You do prime factorization, you do. 3 into 3 into 2. You do the prime factorization of 18. 9, 3 into 3. 6, 2 into 3. Then this 3. Clear? 18, 3 into 3 into 2. 9, 3 into 3, 6, 2 into 3, this 3. Next, now write the similar terms together, equal to root of 3 into 3, 3 into 3. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many 2's? 1, 2. Okay. I wrote all the 3's together, all the 2's together. Then 3, 3, 3, 2. What is the answer? 54 centimeter square. Area's unit should be centimeter square or kilometer square or meter square. Square should be there. Clear? Did you get? Let me tell a serious mistake from your part, that which I can see in your answer sheets of first term. Here you will, some students are not putting the radical sign even here. That you have to put the radical sign. Okay, root of something I told to find. So root of this thing. Then while you are taking out, that time don't keep the radical sign. Here don't keep the radical sign. Here. When we are taking, when they are breaking the shell and coming out, that time we won't put the radical sign. But the students, what they did, that even here they didn't keep the radical sign. Here you have to, but when it is coming out, here no need. Likewise you have to write. That's a serious mistake. Don't repeat the same mistake. Okay. So unit, listen, centimeter square. Perimeter unit simply centimeter. So, but area's unit centimeter square. If it is kilometer, kilometer square. If it is meter, meter square. Or square meter centimeter. Likewise also some question papers you can tell square centimeter or centimeter square. Both they will tell as the unit of area. Clear? Next they are asking second session of the same question. Also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. So you know why we use the second formula, because we know about A, B, C. So it's better to use the second formula. Then second session they are asking find the length of altitude means h corresponding to the, so let me draw the h here. Corresponding, how many altitudes are there? Do you know? For a triangle, what is meant by altitude? Height. This is not the height. This also not the height. They are the slanting heights. Slanting heights. Correct height means it should go inside, through inside. Okay. So this is the altitude, 90 degree, correct in 90 should be correct straight, that is altitude. Others are slanting heights only, not altitude or height. Okay, how many altitudes are there for a triangle? This is one altitude. This altitude, what is the specialty? It coming to the base, basey. This also an altitude. This also an altitude. Okay, all the altitudes different in length. They are not equal, they are different in length. They are asking which altitude they need. The altitude to the lengthiest side. Which is the lengthiest side here? 15. So this altitude they need. This is D, E, this is F. CF they need. Okay? You can mark like that. So many things you are studying in the first part. For a triangle, what is meant by altitude, what is meant by slant height. Because same chapter is coming in 9th standard also, and it's very important. Listen the class carefully. For a triangle, 3 altitudes are there. They are asking in this particular problem, they are asking the altitude to the largest side. AB is the largest side here. So CF is the altitude that they need. Anyway, for that altitude involves in the first formula, no? So we will write area equal to half into B into H, base into height. But here what is the specialty? Area we have found. So you write 54 equal to, that's why they are asking as a subdivision. If you know the area, can you find H? Half into, what you will write as base? What you will write as base? 9 or 12 or 15, which you will write as base? Eh? 15 we will use as base, because you may think this is the base, you may think this is the base for this altitude, this is the base for this altitude, this is the base for this altitude. We are talking about this altitude CF. So what is its base? They told no, to the lengthiest side. So lengthiest side should be the base. So 15 into H we don't know. H we don't know, that only we have to find. From that you find H. Find H. 54 into 2. 2 let it go to the other side, it became into 2 equal to 15H. From that you find H. You will get a decimal. What is the answer? Yes. 54. 3 will go, no? 36 by 5. Here length only, not centimeter square, centimeter. 7.2 centimeter. Is it clear? The next question. Hope that it's clear for all. Let me move to the next question. The base, write the question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter. And its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. All of you draw one triangle. Okay. 12 centimeter. Perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. What they told, this is an isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. This base I marked as 12. So this I don't know the length. Yes. So these two lengths I don't know. Anyway, both are equal, that I know. I marked as X. Okay. Now perimeter is 32. So you can find X. If you know X, you can find an area using root of S into S minus N, S minus B into S minus C. Okay, clear? So all the questions is better to draw a picture. We will get an idea from the picture. Okay. Base 12 centimeter. This is an isosceles triangle. So these two sides should be equal. We don't know each. So I made as X. Now perimeter equal to 32 centimeter, that is x plus 12 equal to 32, correct? This is equal to 32. So 2x plus 12 equal to 32. All of you find x. 32 minus 12. Now you know the advantage of studying the chapter linear equations. You know how to transpose the side and all. 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 centimeter. X is equal to 10. So other two sides you got 10. I am writing here. Here also I am writing 10. So first our duty to get the value of 10. for that, get the value of x. For that they have given the perimeter. If you know the perimeter, you can find x plus 12 equal to 32. From that you will get the value of x as 10. Now, did you get all the three sides? So can you find the area? Which formula? First formula or second formula? Second formula. Because all the three sides, you know, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now let me tell you, there is a name for this formula. Anybody knows? There is a name. Yes? Yes, Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Just write. Heron's formula. Maybe the scientist's name, mathematician's name, Heron's formula. Okay, it's not only in ICSE, CBSE stream also, they are studying about this. They are using this formula more than half BH. Heron's formula. Just write the name. I didn't tell in the beginning. Please write the name of the formula. Heron's formula. H-E-R-O-N apostrophe S. Heron's formula. Okay. Now shall we apply? Where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. No need to wait for me. Now we are doing the second time. All of you do. What do you say? 12. I told you, no, which the B's opposite will be B. So 10. The other also 10 by 2. 16 centimeter. That is S. Now you apply here. S is equal, area equal to root of S is what? Let me rub this figure. Root of 16 into 16 minus what is A? 12. 16 minus B 10. 16 minus C 10. Clear? Do you know how to substitute? Get the answer. Root of 16 minus 12 is 4, 16 minus 10 is 6, 16 minus 10 is 6. Now factorize root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 as 2 into 2. You got the answer. Who is telling? Whose voice? Yavadi Bala. Correct. Your answer is correct. Do you remember while I was taking the class in the offline mode, that time Avani was not opening the mouth. Now she improved a lot. Very good. Okay, what is the answer? She told the answer 48. 2 into 2 into... Now I am not putting the radical sign. 2 into... 2 into 3. This I had to rewrite, no? Yes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets of 2. That you write. 1 set of 3. Okay. Answer 48. Being area centimeter square. 48 centimeter square. Another method they are telling the textbook, second method also, but for us this is better. Okay. Is it chapter easy? Tomorrow also maths class is there, time 4 o'clock. Time 4 o'clock. This week also we will get 3 periods. So we can move. Okay. Next question from exercise 20A. All of you take exercise 20A. Question number 2 we are doing. Question number 2. 20A question number 2. All of you write the question. Question number 2. Two sides of a triangle are 6 and 8. I am drawing the picture. Now we can be fast. No? Oh, 6 and 8. Any two sides? If the height of the triangle corresponding to 6 centimeter side is 4, find. Okay. So, two sides are 6 and 8. One I marked here. Anywhere you can mark. This is our comfortable place. That's why. Another one I will mark here. 6 and 8. Two sides they have given, and height also they have given. Height to the height. Three heights are there. Which height? Height of the triangle corresponding to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is here. The height to this side. Got it? The height which comes to 6 centimeter. This has 4. Okay. That's why this is the importance of the figure. You have to picturize. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, who is telling which formula? First one or second one? Second one. Whether you know this side. If you are using second one, whether first one. We don't know the third side, so we cannot use the Heron's formula. We will use half into base into height equal to half into, which one you have to take as base? This as base, then only the height to that base. These are the pairs. Okay, if this height you should know like that. So this height and this base, they are the pairs. So 6 into and base 6, height 4. What is the answer? 12 centimeter square. Area equal to 12 centimeter square. Centimeter square unit or square centimeter. But they asked in the second section, height of the triangle corresponding to 8 centimeter side. Height of the triangle corresponding to 8 centimeter side. Now they are asking, we cannot escape. Now they are asking the height to this 8. This height we need. All of you mark. H I marked. Even if you know the area, they are demanding to find the height. Which height? That's a question. Height to the side 8 centimeter. How to do? Anyway, you know the area, no? For that only they are asking the area at first. That area you can use in the second section. Last time also we did like that. You write area equal to half BH. 12 we studied. We got it. It's 12. What is half into? Now, if you want to know this H, you have to take this 8 as base. Because this 8 and this H are the pairs. Got it? So, base I am taking this 8. Then only I will get the height to that base. That as H. Clear? Then find the value of H. You can find. Find. Christina is there. Tell me the answer. Christina is telling? Dhima is telling. Dhima is asking me whether that question will come, this question will come, and Dhima only asked me through WhatsApp. No? About question number 16? No? Okay. Somebody asked me about question number 16, linear equations. Whether that question will come for the exam or test paper. Such a question is irrelevant. Okay. We have done that question in the class. Then why you are asked? That's not a difficult question. All the questions which all we have done in the class, you have to study. Okay. Somebody asked me, I am not remembering the name. Question number 16 from linear equations that we have done in the class, and it's important also. Okay. What is height? 12 into 2. 2 will go to the other side. It will become into 2. Equal to 8 into H. So 24 by 8 equal to H. 12. So h is equal. So you may hey, here h equal to 4, here h, all that's different heights. 3 heights are there for a triangle. They are asking the height to this side. That is 12. This height is 4. And one more height is there. They didn't ask. If they ask, that also you have to find. But for that we want to know this base. That we don't know. That's why they are not asking. Clear? Now, question number 6. Next we are doing question number 6. Before doing question number 6, please mark the homeworks for tomorrow. 20A, question number 1, all the subdivisions. Please mark the homeworks. 20A, all the subdivisions. Question number 1. Then question number 3, question number 4, and question number 10. Question number 10. Okay. Now, question number 6 we are doing if time allows. Okay. Read the question. Base and height of, I will give the method how to do at least. Base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3. Why they are giving the ratio form? If they are giving the ratio form, what we will do? Base, how to take? Shall I take base as 5? Can I take base as 5? Or height as 3? Any idea? No idea. Then read that. Otherwise we will read. Base and the height of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3. If the area of the triangle is 67.5 meters square, they have given the area. Find the base and height. They didn't give the base and height. Instead they have given its ratio. If they have base as 5:3 means that doesn't mean that base is 5. Doesn't mean. Then what does it mean? I couldn't hear. What I wrote? Yes, correction. Thank you. Somebody is telling that's correct. Question number 2, just now I finished, no? Question number 2, answer is 3. I wrote 12, no? I can see here on the board, the shade. 24/8, this much I got. I don't know why I wrote 12. 3. Those who copied from the board, they will write 12. 24/8, the answer is 3. Question number 12, second subdivision. It's not 12. That's wrong. 3 is the answer. This much I made correct. Then I don't know why I wrote 12. 3. This question, take base as 5x and height as 3x. Only the height as 3x, base as 5x and height as 3x. Don't take 5 and 3, you should take the multiples when they are giving the ratio. Okay, now area equal to half base into height, that's 67.5 equal to half into 5x into 3x. Now that is 67.5 into 2. 2 will come to this side, it will become into 2, equal to 15x square. 5 into 3, 15, x into x square. So 135 equal to 15x square. 135 by 15 equal to x square. Nine equal to x square, x is equal to 3. Therefore, base is equal to 5 into 3 equal to 15 centimeter. 3 into 3 equal to, these are the answers. Okay. Let me tell, area equal to half BH, area they have given, listen here, area they have given, half into base 5x, not simply 5 because ratio, so multiples you have to 5x, height 3x. So 2, next step 2 will come to this side, it will become 2 into 67.5, that is 135, you multiply and get. Here, 5 into 3, 15x into x square. Now, x square equal 15 will come to this side, it will become by 15. Now, 5 is common, you will get 9. Everything you do. If x square equal to 9, x is equal to square root of 9, that is 3. Not over. After getting x equal to 3, what they are asking what is base. So, complete it. 5 into x. Now, you got 3. 5 into 3, 15. Height, 3x. 3 into 3, that is 9. Clear? So, time is up. Thank you. Tomorrow, 4 o'clock.